Okay, next I have a huge products. Let me
look at the just look at the
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So in today's video we are going to do a huge makeup haul and PR unboxing. So I do get a lot of stuff in PR and I do purchase a lot of products for myself, and it's a huge haul related to only Mars Cosmetics. I do have a little bit more, but I will share later on, okay, in this video, but later on, okay. For the wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. So first box is from the brand Senfe, and they do send me a lot of goodies, and I did a video with Senfe, and thank you so much Senfe for sending me the products. And let me show you the products what I got. So I got Senfe Back and Bump Lightning Mask. This is how it looks like, and you know what, it does smell so good. I just want to eat this product but I can't. Oh my god. And the bottle is so luxurious. Loved it. And these products really work on my skin. Highly impressed. Next I got Senfe Back and Bump Anti-Cellular Creme. Next I got Senfe Back and Bump Lotion. Next I got Detox Scrub from Senfe, and this scrub is something else. I just can't explain the texture of this, but it is very mild scrub with very mild particles. When you apply this scrub on your face, it just melts into your skin. Love that. Next I have Back and Bump Toning Oil. Next I have Back and Bump Lightening Serum. And just look at the packaging, is so cute and you know, handy dandy. And I do have Senfe face razors, but I purchase them from myself. They do not send me that in PR, but I love the range of Back and Bump. So I just love the Back and Bump, you know, skincare from the brand Senfe. I highly recommend this, and it does work for me. And each product costs you about 700 to 800, so you can definitely check out the, you know, my collaboration, and आपको सारे links description box में मिल जाएंगे, so you should check it out, okay. Now next product I purchased from Cuffs and Lashes, and this is their, you know, newly launched eyelashes. Sorry, my lights are reflecting, but
look at the just look at the product. So eyelashes are in the shade number 10.
And just look at the eyelashes, they are looking so pretty. These are very fluttering eyelashes. If you are a very fluttering eyelashes person, so you can definitely check it out. I do have already a lot of fluttering eyelashes, as you can see on my face. When I apply this, I feel so good, because I love to use a lot of fluttering eyelashes, because it does give me that dimension on my eyes, which I personally need for myself. Yeah. And I also love the case. Just look at the case, it's so cute, you know.
So next I have this huge box
with goodies, and I do purchase all the products from my site. This is not PR, this is not a sponsored video with the brand Mars, and I am just obsessed with the you know, Mars Cosmetics, and their products are so damn hot and good with amazing price points. So definitely check these out. I'm getting thirsty.
But it's okay. We will do you know, haul, and then I will go and drink water.
The product I love the most is their sponge. This sponge is so good. Like, highly recommend this product. You can see I have used this so much, and this is very squishy, and the packaging is so good. It does cost about under rupees 300, so you can definitely check this out on discounted prices. Next I have their most favorite of mine. This is their Mars Cake Glow Illuminating Primer. This is my holy grail product. Like, I am living for this product. I love this product so much. Just first look at the packaging, is so nice, and luxurious. Just look at the packaging. And I am the shade number 01 Moon Glow. This product is something else. I will make a separate video with this. And it does not have any kind of shimmer particles, so you can definitely use this primer on your bare face, and you can definitely go out by using this only. So yeah, I highly recommend, and it does cost you about rupees 300. All the products are rupees 300. Only one or two products are under rupees 350 or 400, which is quite good. So next product is this one. This is the Blue Heaven concealer, and I am in the shade number Vanilla Very Fair, and I purchased this product on Diwali day. So this is my Diwali gift for myself, because I love to pamper myself. Okay, sorry, I'm getting very excited. So this is how the product looks like, and I have used this about twice or thrice of time, but I'm not happy. But I will make a video with this, I will make a video. So please keep on watching, and do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comment box. Okay, so next I have two mascaras from the brand Mars. Not one, two. Okay, so मैंने पहले ही एक परचेज कर लिया था, and next I purchase in the combo. I do purchase all the products from the Mars website, and love this. I recommend. Next product is this. This is their Mars matte lip color in the shade number 07, and you can see the swatch right here. I just love this color so much. These are very super long lasting, amazing. Next product is this, their cushion foundation, and it is a very okayish foundation. Not a huge fan of this, and okay, it is like in between for me. I neither like it or neither hate it. I'm just in between. In between. Next I have this, their kajal, and this is very super long lasting, waterproof, smudge proof, all good things about this product, and it is quite affordable. I think under rupees 180. So yeah, love this. So next I bought this Mars lipstick in the shade number First Date 24, and it is, wrapper comes out, which is okay, and it is kind of a nude color, a brown nude color with orange undertone. Just look at the shade. It's just a one swipe, and it is also very long lasting, matte, and waterproof, transfer proof, all good things. Okay, and next I do have this Mars lip crayon in the shade number I Am Unstoppable, and it is also a nude color. Just look at the shade. This is the this is the shade right here. Sorry that you are seeing a lot of hairs on my hand. That is fine. So another Diwali gift for myself, I bought this Trend Beauty non-transfer matte lipstick, and it costs about rupees 100, and trust me guys, this is very long lasting, transfer proof, smudge proof, and waterproof as well. And this is the very cool tone brown shade. Just look at the shade. Oof. I love this, love the color, and even I love the packaging. So all the good things about this. So next I have their BB cream. Just look at the BB cream. I do use this about thrice, and I kind of liking it because I am not a BB and CC cream person, but still I love this because of the formulation, because of the coverage. So highly recommend this product, and I am in the shade number I think Fair. Yeah, I am in the shade number Fair. So if you are of my skin tone, you can definitely go for Fair. Okay, if you are looking for a BB cream. So next I have this their highlighter, and I'm the shade number For You, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I'm the shade number For You. इसको ओपन कहाँ से करना है? हो गया ओपन। प्रोडक्ट्स की पैकेजिंग मुझसे ओपन नहीं होती, पता नहीं क्यों, सच में नहीं ओपन होती, सही टाइम पे ओपन नहीं होती। So this is how the bottle looks like. Just look at the bottle, it's so good, and I just love the logo of Mars Cosmetics. Obsessed. My hairband is coming off, please take care. So this is how the product looks like. If you're a very pink undertone, if you're a pink undertone girl, so you can have this, but it doesn't look good on my skin tone, because if I use a high coverage foundation it will look good. If I use sheer to medium it does not look good. Okay, so if you're a pink undertone girl you can definitely use this. It does have very pink reflex to it, so which I don't like it that much. It does have too much pink reflex, which looks like that you have something on your face, which I don't like it. So if you are a very pink undertone girl, so you can definitely check this out, and just look at the reflex, see, too much pink undertone, which I'm not a big fan. But still, if I use a very high coverage foundation, so then I can use this, but on daily basis it's not for me. And the next, my most used product is this one. This is the Mars V Face Bronzer. I do have a separate video for this product, and I am in the shade number 05. I use this shade for my bronzer, and it is a nice, it is a nice product. I have the eyeshadows with me. I have the new launch I have the new launch with me. This is the Mars Pulse eyeshadow, and I'm the shade number. Packaging is not giving my saath. I just don't know how. It always happens with me. It always happens with me. Finally. And just look at the packaging. Packaging is very sturdy, and you will get a flap, and you will get a huge mirror with very good quality. You can definitely use it. And just look at the color story and the scheme. I have used this product on Diwali, and I have used this shade, and look at the color story. I love this, and these shades are very pigmented. I will make a separate video on this, so I'm not going to swatch it. These are very, very nice quality eyeshadows, easy to blend, and the pigmentation is really good. All good things about eyeshadow. And again, I do have their purple eyeshadow. Just look at the packaging, and I also use this a lot of times, so we'll get a big mirror. And I lost the slap. I just don't know where it goes. And next, I have my most favorite highlighter. Just look at the packaging. Just look at the packaging. Not packaging. Just look at the texture. Yeah. Amazing. मैं इसे सेव करके रखती हूँ because I need to use this on special occasions, because it's such a crazy blinding highlighter, which I am a huge fan. So I'm the shade number Rose Gold. You can definitely check this out. Even you are a medium girl, medium deep tone skin tone, so you can definitely check it out. Okay, I have their Trendsetter loose powder as well, and I'm in the shade number White Matte Translucent. You can see I have used this, and even the packaging is very sleek, hot packaging. It is a very mattifying powder, so if you are a combination to oily skin girl, so you can definitely check this out, because I do have a oily to combination skin, so I loved it. It does give me a very mattifying finish. So next, I have the Blossom foundation. Oh my god, the packaging is so heavy. It is about 300, and it is a texture packaging. Just look at the packaging.
You can see a lot of texture running over here,
And it is their soft matte foundation. I haven't used this, so I'm not going to say anything about it, but I am the shade number Warm Nude 03, so it can be a good match for me because I am little tan. Okay, I am little tan, but still it is very warm undertone, yellow undertone, so it will suit me. So my skin is very yellow undertone, but makeup पहना हुआ है, so पता नहीं चलेगा आपको. So for me it's a very nice shade. If you're a yellow undertone girls, you can definitely check out 03 Warm Nude. Okay, so next I have the illuminating base. You know what, this base is so good, and it does have glitter particles, but you have to shake it well and then use it, then you will not get any kind of glitter particles. So just look at the packaging, is so sexy and hot. So I'm the shade number 01 Gold Beam. It does have golden reflex to it, so if you are a yellow undertone girl, so you can definitely check it out. I highly recommend this also. So few products are left. Okay, next I have this mask concealer. I don't like the packaging of this one. Packaging is very so not a huge fan of this, but I'm the shade number Porcelain. So yeah, it is very, I want to use this concealer, but not a huge fan of the concealer, not a huge fan of this concealer, even not a huge fan of packaging, because it is leave that. So my most favorite is this one, and it costs you about rupees 350 or 400 something like that. Just look at the packaging, is so damn good, and the color story is so good. And I'm the shade number 03, their Fantasy 15 color eyeshadow. Sorry, my lights
are reflecting. Dun, dun, dun. Just look at the packaging. Not packaging, just look at the color story. Just look at the color.
Just look at the color story. Look at the colors, are so good. Why I purchased this palette, just because the one shade is this color, because I need to use this color as my blusher. So that's why I have purchased this, because it will look good, because I do have a yellow undertone skin, so it will look good on me. Even you are a deep to medium skin tone, or it will look good on you as a nude blush on. So that's why I have purchased this one, just because of this one color. Even all the shades are really good and highly pigmented. Let me show you some of the shades. Even the shimmers are really good. Let me show you. This is the one swatch. Let me show you. I don't want to spoil this color, Yellow is not that much yellow, but still you can build this up. Okay, so let me show you one color. This blue is very chalky, this blue is very chalky. So yeah, and let me swatch this color. Just look at the colors.
Highly recommend this eyeshadows. The eyeshadows of this. So
let me swatch it. Okay, obsessed. So we are left with these three products. So first I bought this highlighter from local brand or local market, or all that local market stuff. What is khul nahi rahi thi, now it is finally open. Just look at the texture. I purchased this product just because of the texture, and trust me, this is very chalky. It does have a lot of glitter particles. So just look at that swatch. I just don't like it, because glitter particles just flow in the air, so not a huge fan of this product. But I have used this with wet brush, so after that I don't get that much glitter particles, so I'm happy with that. But still it is not a good buy. So next I do have the, as far eyeshadows, I have used this product on my face right now, over, you can see on my forehead, because I have used that mask highlighter, so you cannot get any idea. So you can just see on my forehead, it is very blinding or subtle highlighter, you can say. I love this on my face, you know, it is nice highlighter. Just look at the packaging and you will get a sponge tip applicator, which I am almost dropped it. Just look at the packaging, and just packaging is very sturdy, good for traveling if you are a travel person, so you can definitely check this out because it costs you about rupees 200 and discount पे आपको काफ़ी अच्छे rates पे मिल जाएगा. And just look at the color stories. Let me swatch it. I'm very excited, you know, I'm very excited to swatch it. So just look at the color. आप इसे build up कर सकते हो, you can build it, okay? Let me show you here. Look at that. I don't have any highlighter on my Cupid's bow, just let me apply it over there. And these are so soft. As for products, the quality काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है, and you can see now. So highly recommend this product. Next I have this shade in number 7128. Packaging में से, and the applicator which I don't need. So this is the, you know, next shade. Why I purchased this eyeshadow? Just because of this shade right here on the top, because it is such a, you know, matte, beautiful matte shade which looks good on your eyes. Just look at the shade right here, the pigmentation you can see right here. This is the pigmentation. Let me show you again. Just look at these three eyeshadows, they are so pigmented. Let me swatch these things over here. Just look at the pigmentation, it's so good. So this is it for the video. All the products are so good, highly recommend, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell icon, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. My handle is Raj Makeups. And take care and bye.